Today I am reviewing the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is one of those rare builds that doesn't just check all the boxes for a gamer. It goes above and beyond, creating an experience that feels premium the moment you set your eyes on it. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F, a 6-core, 16-thread powerhouse that reaches up to an impressive 5 GHz clock speed. This isn't just marketing fluff. That kind of raw speed translates directly into tangible performance. Whether you're pushing for ultra settings in your favorite games, streaming in high quality without frame dips, or multitasking between multiple demanding applications, it is truly a next-generation processor designed to handle both intense gaming and heavy productivity workloads. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 with 8 GB of dedicated VRAM, the Q5 Pro delivers clean, crisp visuals that make your games come alive. From fast-paced shooters to sprawling open-world adventures, every texture, every shadow, and every ray of light is rendered with remarkable precision. You can expect smooth gameplay in 1080p and even 1440p, and with the RTX features like DLSS and ray tracing, you'll be getting visuals that look like they belong in the future while still maintaining those high frame rates competitive gamers demand. One of the best parts about this PC is how future-proof it feels. With 32 GB of RAM, you're not going to hit a memory bottleneck anytime soon. That amount of RAM is more than enough for modern gaming, but it also means you can comfortably run memory-hungry creative software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Blender, or music production suites without slowdowns. It's the kind of headroom that allows you to keep multiple browser tabs, background applications, and heavy games open all at once without feeling a stutter. Add to that a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe SSD, and your load times drop to mere seconds. Booting into Windows 11 Pro is practically instant. Games launch in a flash, and large file transfers feel effortless. The NVMe drive is leagues ahead of traditional hard drives and even older SATA SSDs, making everything feel more responsive and snappy. Beyond performance, the Q5 Pro nails the aesthetics. The tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of the high-quality components inside, and the 3 vibrant RGB fans create an eye-catching glow that instantly makes your setup look like it belongs on a professional gamer's desk. This is a PC that doesn't just hide under your desk, it demands to be seen. The build quality is solid, with neat cable management and a layout that keeps airflow optimal, which in turn helps maintain low temperatures even during long gaming marathons. And with Wi-Fi 5 built in, you're ready for fast, reliable wireless connectivity right out of the box. Perfect for gamers who can't run an Ethernet cable directly to their desk. The Q5 Pro also scores big points for being ready to go from the moment you unbox it. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it comes free of unnecessary bloatware, meaning you won't waste time uninstalling junk programs before getting to the good stuff. You simply plug it in, power it on, and you're off. No complicated setup process, no plug-and-pray guessing game. For those who value both performance and convenience, this makes a huge difference. What sets this PC apart is that it's not built just for one type of user. Yes, it's a gaming powerhouse that can run titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Call of Duty, or Fortnite at smooth, high frame rates. But it's also an excellent choice for creators, streamers, and professionals who need a system that can juggle multiple demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing videos in 4K, working with large design files, running virtual machines, or streaming to an audience, the Q5 Pro has the horsepower to keep up. It's more than just a machine. It's a tool for people who take their performance seriously, whether that's in the game, at work, or in their creative projects. In short, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is exactly what its name promises, a beast. It combines cutting-edge hardware, thoughtful design, and user-focused convenience into one impressive package. It doesn't compromise on performance, it doesn't cut corners on aesthetics, and it doesn't make you jump through hoops to start using it. For anyone looking for a high-performance desktop that can dominate in gaming, handle serious creative workloads, and look stunning while doing it, this is an easy recommendation. The Q5 Pro isn't just another PC. It's a statement piece, built for those who expect the best and aren't willing to settle for less.